Alright, so I'm at this point in the transmission video where I need to take the starter out and then all the transmission bolts. So before I do that, I want to make a video in between about the corner lights. So I ordered new corner lights for this car and I decided to put them in right now just because I don't like the look of the orange ones. So just to take them out, I believe there's 2 screws, but mine does not have it. And it just slides right out of that slide point. So yeah, I guess these 2 screws would be right here. But these are broken. So I ordered new ones, which are in that package right there. So that side comes out, and then this side has both hinges, so but no 2 screws. So this one takes a little bit more persuasion. So yeah, see, this one has 2. The other one has 1. But yeah, that just slides into these 2 areas, and I guess it bolts into here. So I'm gonna open that package up, and then I'm going to put them. So there's a box inside the box, but it's like I've been bamboozled. So this is on this side. I mean, honestly, I don't even have blinkers or whatever, front turn signals, as you would say. Dude. Why is... Oh, this bottom one doesn't have this thing. So this light doesn't really go in. Huh. Yeah, that looks way better. Put the orange one in quick. I think the clear looks way better. That looks like it's in. Oh. Yeah, look, see, this one has this rubber piece. I guess the other side doesn't, so this one's gonna sit a little bit better. Honestly, they said about this one. Yeah, so it's just a quick video doing that. I've had these for a while, it's just I didn't really have time to put them in. And if you wanted to put in the turn signals, I'm pretty sure this is a turn signal. I know this side never had it because I have the oil catch in the way. Yeah, the turn signals, they just come up like this. Where is it? It's all the way down there. Whatever. Should come up, around, and then come in through here. And then you'd have front turn signals, but my car doesn't have that. Only the rear. So I can throw my hazards on when I'm running the Canjo. Yeah. This thing's sick. But transmissions ought to come out too. But watch out for that video.